Hello and welcome to another class with Michael's Mathematics Academy. Here we have a question on the board and it's a variation question. Y is inversely proportional to x and y is equal to 4 when x is equal to half. Find x when y is equal to 10. This is an inverse proportion. So first of all we have to state uh, the mathematical explanation of this question. So here we are made to understand that y is inversely proportional to x. This represents inverse proportional. Now, the same vein, in order for us to, eliminate this inverse proportional sign, and we bring in the equation sign. So here we're going to have the y equal to, because we have to eliminate this, we have to bring the presence of a constant. So this will be, let's call the constant k over, this interprets that. So we are saying that y is inversely proportional to x. And they went on to tell us that y is equal to 4 when x is equal to 1 over 2. Putting that in this equation, to find the constant, you're going to have that 4 is equal to what? K over half, which, making k the subject of the formula, we're going to have that k equal to 4 times half. Of course, they have a common factor, which is 2. This cancel out, we are left with 2. 2 times 2 gives us 2. So the value of k is equal to 2. So in this equation, the value of k when y is equal to 4 and s is equal to half is 2. So they went on to tell us that we should find x when y is equal to 10. Okay, here when y is equal to 4, x is equal to half. So what happens? What is the value of x when y is equal to 10? We already have an equation on the board, so we can use that equation. Using the same equation, remember we already found the value of k to be 2. So that means we are going to have that y is equal to 2 over x. Now, putting the new value of y to the equation is going to give us 10 to be equal to 2 over x. Therefore, making our x the subject of the formula, we are going to have that 2 over 10. You have a common terms, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. So our x will be equal to what? 1 over 5, which is our answer. So where y is equal to 10, our s will be equal to 1 over 5. Bye-bye.